Have you ordered Uber Eats or Grubhub or from a program like that? Or even Walmart or Amazon, and you got ordered done for you food, and it's brought to you, and you can see exactly where it is and when it's been delivered to your door, right? What if you could order traffic for your affiliate program or MLM just like that? Not very realistic, right? They say the money's in the list, right? So you want to be building your list, right? Well, what if with the right program, like the one I'm promoting, you ordered and got a certain amount of leads and a certain amount of sales? How fast could you build your business if you knew what you were getting and it was high quality, not bot traffic? Like this program's been around for well over a decade, and all they deliver is high tier, top quality traffic. Better yet, what if not only, let's put the traffic to the side, what if you could have somebody else build your team, teach them exactly what to do to rank on YouTube, the daily activities they need to do, which is copy and paste simple, with the exact keywords they needed, the exact activities daily that they need to follow to be a badass affiliate. And it was done for you. They were trained for you. And not only that, but you could get a done for you rotator and get leads and sales passed up to you. And we build your own rotator that you can offer the same. And we give you all the other bonuses, nearly $15,000 in bonuses to give to your team and your team's team. How fast could you build your business then? What am I talking about? I'm talking about Affiliate Mentor by Traffic Authority. Affiliate Mentor, Traffic Authority. Traffic Authority has been around for around at least a decade. And they've been around giving high quality, high tier traffic. And why is traffic important? Because if you can't put the butts in the seat and the eyeballs on your offer, then you're dead in the water. See, it doesn't matter what you're promoting, what's your primary business, what's your multiple streams of income you have. If you can't get the traffic to your offer, you got a real problem. Now, the best traffic, obviously, is organic traffic, free traffic. Like getting on YouTube, putting yourself or TikTok and putting yourself out there. But eventually, you have to have some kind of converting traffic. What if I told you there's a way to even get your clicks for half off? Would I have your attention then? I hope so. You need to be contacting me. You need to check out and think about real talk. It ain't even about me. Solve your traffic problem. Seriously. If you need free traffic, that's fine. Put yourself out there. Who gives a fuck who sees your video? All you need is the right person and the right system and the right mentor. Well, our bonuses do that for you. You get access to my mentor who spent countless hours training me in his own team site, training people how to rank on Google. YouTube, especially YouTube. And there's all her team, left and right, are dominating on YouTube. My first video, I think I ranked 2nd and 5th overall. My second video ranked 4th, 4 keywords, phrases, number 1, and then I ranked 2nd in another keyword phrase. And the first video only had 3 views. Like right away, I was ranking on YouTube. And this was only with a smidgen of the training on the site. Again, you need to ask yourself some tough questions. And if you're just banging your head on the wall, doing the same thing, hoping it sticks, oh, the next program, it's going to be the right program. Or the next person I join, it's going to be the right person. It's going to take me to the promised land. And you've done nothing different, that's the definition of sanity. If you do the same thing over and over again and expect something to change. No, you need to change. I know so many people that ask for information all the time, and then I give them the information and they don't even click. So I changed. I got out of my comfort zone. I found the right programs. I found the right mentors. And I did what I needed to do to level up in my business. And like I said, I got the fuck out of my comfort zone and figured out I need to do things differently. Or I'm going to expect the same fucking result. It doesn't matter if I went all in or not, because I needed to change. Or nothing else was going to change. Period. This is JJ Sully, aka John Sully, aka your friendly neighborhood settlement, and this is my affiliate mentor traffic authority video. And I'll see you in the next one. Don't delay. Get with JJ today. Peace.